Hey, it's Adelai, and I'm here to give you a tour of my Chambre de Bonne in the 7th arrondissement of Paris. And I thought I would start off with my favorite thing about my room, my view. Oh, look how pretty. No, that's not the view I'm talking about. So this is the view out of my window of Paris. So you can see it's that green steeple over there is the American Church of Paris, and more of the beautiful cityscape. These beautiful windows here that are just wonderful, that let a lot of light into my room. Which brings us to the next part, my desk, my small desk with my chair. I have a sink in that corner, and I have my little kitchen. It's very nice and quaint. Get a microwave, I have 2 burners, a toaster, and a tea kettle, which is pretty much all I need. I do have cutting boards and stuff. That is my refrigerator, which right now has pasta and pizza. Need to go shopping to make a video just to show you all that. I have a lovely bookcase, which has lots of books that other American students have left here. And down here we have my towels, my purses, my big shoes, and some cables. As we continue going around, we have my shampoo and conditioner. And in here we have all of the things I need to get going in the morning, which are my keys, my phone, my wallet, and my Navigo. My coats are hung up nicely there at the end of every day. And this is my lamp and my little bedside table, which is where I put the rest of my shoes, my walking and my simpler shoes. My lamp, which makes me so happy that I can do this, but watch. I just touch it. It turns off and I can touch any part of it. Yeah, okay, it makes me really happy. And then we have my futon, which has been honestly more comfortable than you would expect. It's one of my favorite things. I'm super comfy in it. And we have my tiny closet. And so let me see if I can give y'all a full view of the room. So this is what it looks like when I'm standing in the corner next to my futon. So I'll give you a nice full pan up. And then from the other side, thank you for coming on this tour of my small apartment. Not a whole heck of a lot to see, but I think it's cute. I think it's the best place to be in the world right now. I just absolutely love this place, and I'm super happy that I can share it with you. I highly recommend Chambre de Bonne. I know it's a small space, but it's great for if you just want a space that's yours, that you can live in and be in and breathe in. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all of those things at Starry Eyes Addie. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!